Okay, let's begin with example number 3.9. Solve example of your textbook. Assuming that the temperature at the surface of the sun is 6000 Kelvin. For sun, the temperature mentioned is, let's write sun, is 6000 Kelvin. Find out the size of the virtual star in terms of the size of the sun. Means they are talking about the size that is nothing but the radius of star in terms of radius of sun. Means whatever radius of star you will obtain, that will have some number into radius of sun. वो स्टेटमेंट का मीनिंग ये था, रेडियस ऑफ स्टार और द साइज ऑफ स्टार should have some number and radius of sun in comparison. Now, if I don't read this bracket part, find out the size of the virtual star whose surface temperature, means the surface temperature of star is given to us, that is 3000 Kelvin. Now next, the power radiated by the virtual star. Power radiated, that is nothing but dq upon dt. dq upon dt, that is power radiated by the virtual star. So I'll write over here star is equal to, yeah, we have is 25 times the power radiated by the sun. 25 times the power radiated by the sun. Next, treat both sun and virtual star as a black body. Now if the question was not clear to you, you can just open your textbook page number 72, you'll get the question over there. Now since both of them are treated as black body, we'll be writing the formula for them. Before coming to the formula, just look at this. Power radiated, no, the amount of heat radiated by the body per unit time per unit area is equal to sigma T raised to 4. Okay, this is the formula. This is the formula. Power radiated, what is given to us? Power radiated means dq upon dt is given to us. What remains? This a remains, which we'll be taking on right hand side. So what we have, dq upon dt is equal to sigma a t raised to 4. See how I derived the formula. Okay, this is nothing but Stephen's law, Stephen's-Boltzmann's law. Now we have this dq upon dt is what? Power radiated by the body. That is sigma a t raised to 4. For star, it will be sigma a t raised to 4. Since it is for star, so area of star, sorry, T temperature of star is equal to 25 dq upon dt for sun, that is power radiated by the sun. Power radiated is equal to sigma a t raised to 4. So I'll write sigma, that is Stephen's constant, a, that is area of sun, and t raised to 4, that is temperature of sun. Now sigma, since it is constant, it will get cancelled from both the side. Now our sun and our star, both of them are considered as a sphere. So surface area for sphere is 4 pi r square. So here surface area for star is 4 pi r square. R, that is radius of star, temperature of star raised to 4 is equal to 25. A is nothing but surface area. So again I'll be using different color, that is 4 pi r square for sun, surface area for sun, and t raised to 4 for sun. Hope this was clear to you. Now from here 4 pi and 4 pi gets cancelled. Okay. Now next, what will be the next step for us? That will be r square, that is radius of star, and let's take this in the denominator. Radius of sun is equal to, this has come in the denominator, so what remains over here? Temperature raised to 4 of sun upon temperature of star will come in the denominator. I have just shifted the terms. Now here we have the terms. What can we do over here? See, we have temperature of sun. What is the temperature of sun? 6000 Kelvin. raised to 4. We have temperature of star, that is 3000 Kelvin. Acha, we have left this term, that is 25. Let it be over here. Okay. Yeah, this term. What we have done, we have taken this r square sun in the denominator, and t raised to 4 sun and t raised to 4 star, that is temperature of sun and temperature of star. We have shifted, this t has come over here and this r has gone in the denominator in left hand side, and this 25 remains over here. Now temperature of star, that was 3000 Kelvin. So 3000 raised to 4. Now again the calculation, and since we have square over here, we'll take the square root. Okay, this becomes our radius of star, and here we'll be having square root. This is radius of sun, this square will go over here and we have a square root over here. So how this terms will come out of the square root? 4 times, so 2 बार बाहर आ गया. This is 6000 square, 25 का it is 5. 3000 के लिए it will be 3000 का square. Till now you might have understood things. 6 6 are 36, right? And 1 2 3, 3 digits raised to 2. 5 यहाँ पे, 3 3s are 9. 1 2 3, so that is 1000 raised to 2. This and this gets cancelled. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. So 4 5s are, it is 20. So what I have obtained, radius of star upon radius of sun, radius of star upon radius of sun, radius of star upon radius of sun is equal to 4 5s are 20. So I can write it like this: radius of star, that is size of star, in terms of radius of sun. I got that number, and the equation is, and the numerical is solved. Okay.